Hey everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature Art and Life. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you and I found some really exciting things, so I can't wait to share. Let's get right into it. I was so excited to see that Dollar Tree had these, they're like the flocked floral or greenery branches. And I have never seen these ones. I love them. I know they've carried other types in the past, but this is the first time I've seen this type. Loved it, so I grabbed just the 3 stems that I saw. I use these all the time in my projects. They had lots of these beautiful little, they almost look like a cream jug or something. Anyways, I really like this color and I'm kind of kicking myself. I wish I would have grabbed a white one as well, but what I discovered is that this is just a sticker. So if you don't like that, you can take it off and put something else on, but isn't that just so pretty? They also had a pink and again the white. I just got this one though. I recently did a DIY where I took one of Dollar Tree's garden rocks and I did a paint technique on it. I'll link that video down below if you want to check that out, but I loved it so much that I wanted to do one of their garden plaques as well. I did discover that this one's got a chip in it, which I'm kind of bummed about, but oh well. I know some would suggest returning it, but Dollar Tree is in another community from me, so it's not always easy for me to get there. Yeah, I wanted this for probably our front garden. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I just thought this was so cute. Dollar Tree has been bringing out so many amazing wood products, but these particular items they've had for a while. I grabbed this cute little doll chair. Something came to mind using this in the store, so I grabbed it. It might not be used for a while, but yeah, I just thought it was cute. And then I needed 2 more of these cube drawers for a project. And then I found this animal shape and it is the moose. So that's going to be for an upcoming collaboration. So I am going to be putting together something really personal. I am wanting to do like a health and wellness journal. A lot of people have been working on that and I've been thinking about doing this for a while, and just, I don't know, just all of a sudden a light bulb just kind of clicked and I'm like, Donna, that's it. If you are wanting to start to feel better, then you need to take better care of yourself. So what I have been doing is changing the way I eat. I've been eating a lot healthier, and I also wanted to work on like mental well-being and spiritual. So I'm going to make myself a journal. And originally I was going to use this journal, but I'm like, you know what? I've got to be realistic. I don't think this is going to be big enough. I already have a bunch of stuff printed out. And yeah, there's no way it's going to fit in here, but I don't know. I might just keep this and use it for something. I just thought the color was really pretty. And then Crafter Square had these cute stickers. Aren't they just so adorable? I thought these would be perfect for like the food portion of a journal. So fun. Yeah, so I got those things and I found these beautiful tissue paper. Look at that. Isn't that just so gorgeous? Love that. And then they had this pretty minty green. Grabbed 2 packages of those. Great for decoupage and gift wrapping. Okay, I was in shock. I found these American Craft vinyl sheets. Aren't these just gorgeous? I found just 1 sheet of this leaf pattern and then 2 of the just 1 of the floral. And then I found 2 with this script, 2 of the marble, 2 of this bleached wood green, and then 2 of this dark wood green. So these were $1.25 each here in Canada, and I'm sure they would have been a lot more. I was really excited to find these. These are going to be great to use with my Cricut machine. I could even use this with my Sizzix machine, or you could use these to cover anything up. Yeah, there's lots of different uses for these. I just thought this was an amazing find. Okay, so my Dollar Tree finally got the Recollections stuff in. I was so excited. So I have heard that the Recollections pens and markers fit in the Cricut Joy machines. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to be testing it out, and I will definitely share if it works. But I found these glossy markers. I have no idea what they're like, but it does say that they are permanent and works on slick surfaces. And then I found these glitter pens, and I thought these colors were really pretty. Okay, and then I found a whole bunch of their markers. So if you can, test these out in the store, because I discovered that some of them were dried out. I'm going to see if I can rejuvenate them. I'm not sure. Like I said, Dollar Tree is in another community, so it's not that easy for me to get to. And I discovered that this package was all dried out. As you can see here, I haven't tested this one yet, but these are silver, gold, and bronze. And then these ones are metallics as well, in the pink, purple, and blue. And they worked, except that I discovered that one of these, it almost looks like it has mold on the tip. I am not sure. I believe it was this pink one. Yeah, see? There's mold on there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might try to just clean the tip off with some vinegar. I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, I only did pay $1.25 for these, so I'm going to check these other ones. Yeah, this one's a little bit moldy, not bad, but like I said, this one's good. You can see it's still got a lot of ink in it. And that one's good. So yeah, I think if you can, check the packages. Now, these ones were fine. These are neon in the pink, green, and blue. They worked really well. And then these are just your standard regular colors, pink, green, and blue. And these worked really well too. So just be aware of that. It looked like it was the metallics that I was having issues with. If anybody else has had issues with these, just leave a comment down below. They had these multi-surface chalk markers. I grabbed 2 packages of the white. I have no idea what they're like, but it does say that it's for different surfaces, so we shall see. So they had a ton of wood embellishment, tags and whatnot. I was so tempted, I'm telling you, but I'm like, no, Donna, you've got lots of tags in your stash that you haven't been using yet, so just stick with the basics, and I can alter these the way I like. So I got these flag tags in the dark stain and the natural, and then there's these wooden flags, and looks like there's 2 different sizes just in the natural. And then they had these canvas tags, and there's 15 pieces in here. I loved this natural color. So yeah, I just got those. Okay, so they had tons of cards and envelopes. And I'm wishing I would have grabbed some more that were this size, because I discovered that they fit the Cricut Joy cutting mat. And I'm like, oh, that's awesome, because then you don't have to make your cards or buy the blanks from Michaels or Cricut.com. But yeah, these fit within that line right there. See, isn't that just awesome? I was so excited when I saw that. So I thought these ones would be great to use for, you know, for guys or for different occasions. But they come with this, it's almost like an antique gold color envelope. I thought it was really kind of pretty. So yeah, these are 4.25 inch by 5.5 inch, and there's 8 sets. So they had several of these 6 by 6 inch paper pads, and it's called Big Bloom. So I'm assuming that this is to be used maybe with a die set or with your cutting machine, and then you can make these different flowers. I just like the colors and the texture. They are so beautiful. And there's several sheets of each, about 3 of each color. Yeah, I really love these colors. And I don't know if you can see the texture there, but great deal. So yeah, and then I could use this in my different machines. And then this one was fun. So this paper pad is called Pocket Frames, and it's to give different finishes and texture in this wood frame. So they didn't have the wood frames there, but they did have the paper pads. You can see how it's meant to be used, but I just like the papers inside here. So there's 15 pieces and there's just one of each design. So there's some that just have a really pretty like design, and then there's some that are textured. Love those wood grain ones. So I thought this was really pretty. Like, look at that. Like I said, there's just one sheet of each. And this one's chalkboard. And then there's the burlap, corrugated cardboard, craft paper, glitter, and the foil. Okay, this was the deal of the day, and that is a box of corrugated cards with envelopes, and it's a set of 30. Now, what's cool about these is that you've got your envelopes, and you could make an envelope album out of these or use them for different things. And then these cards would be great for like a little album. You can see that there's like a little bit of depth here to the back. So I thought that would be really cool. Like I said, you can make a mini little album, or just, I don't know, you can use all sorts of things with these. Of course, make a card. $1.25, you guys. That's all I paid for this box. So those were my finds. Lots of really fun stuff. Let me know your favorite item here and the fun things you've been finding at your Dollar Tree. I hope you are all doing well, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.